Counted as the Ministry of Education single source of truth and one source of education data. And we believe that there is no any school that doesn't exist within that database. So that's just a brief of what we do. Okay. So from this day, Tuesday, as you can see, the numbers are beginning to go down. Why? Because on fast centralization was done to all the RDs, CDs, and now that we are.
So far, 3,000 schools have been able to receive capitation, have been able to be verified, they have submitted the correct data, the correct number of students, the correct schools, and the process is going on. And I've asked the team here to work throughout the weekend to ensure that we wire the money as soon as possible. I want to call upon all the principals, all the sub-county directors of education who have not submitted data in the correct format to do so expeditiously, because it is that data that we are relying on to verify the number of students, the number of schools, and to ensure that the right schools and the right candidates get their capitation.